Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create stunning plant pot displays for your home and garden. I'm going to go through 3 most important steps that you will need to follow to create some beautiful displays. These include plant selection, choosing the right pot or container, and of course the plant arrangement, where I will reveal what I mean by a pillar, filler and spiller. Just before we get started, please subscribe to the channel, smash that like button and share this video with your friends and family. The first step in creating a beautiful display is choosing the right plant pot or container. Always use plant pots which match your environment and your living space. Select the containers which work well for the type of plant you're growing. The next important step is plant selection and arrangement. You need to decide where you will be displaying your pot and then understand the conditions in that environment. For example, will there be enough light and heat for the plants that you've selected? Now that you have the prerequisites, you will be able to select the right plants in order for them to thrive and survive, and also save you money. Now we're ready to start arranging these plants into my 2 containers. To create a beautiful display, you want to combine plants which offer different characteristics. You want a pillar, a filler and a spiller. What I mean by this is, a pillar is a plant which will give you height, the top level. A filler is a plant which will cover the midsection, the body, and a spiller is a plant which will give you ground interest, the lower level. The first container which I'll be arranging is this beautiful floor standing pot. To start with, just fill your container with some high quality multi-purpose compost. The first plant we start with is our pillar plant, and in my case it's the Madagascar dragon tree. Position your pillar plant at the back of the pot. Just firm it in nice and gently. The next plant you want to add in is your filler, and in my case it's the Chinese money plant. So just go ahead and add that in just in front of the pillar plant, and in the remaining gap you want to add in your spiller, and in my case it's the ivy. And the reason why we call it a spiller is because it spills over the edge. Go ahead and firm that in and fill in any gaps that there may be remaining with compost. Just before I show you what this completed pot looks like, I'm going to add in some decorative white stones. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to the channel, smash that like button and share this video with your friends and family. And here you go. Look how beautiful this looks. Just remember the technique of a pillar, a filler and a spiller. What other plants can you think of that can fill this category? Leave it in the comment section. I'm going to quickly make my second pot and I can show you what they look like side by side. And here you go. This is what the finished pots look like. I've just elevated the second pot so you can see it better. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be using this technique and also what plants you'll be using. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, smash that like button and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.